The panel is attached to the door in 4 places. Screws 1 and 2 are located under the armrest cover. Starting at the bottom, pry the cover outwards. Remove screws underneath. There are plastic nuts at points 3 and 4. They are freely accessible at the bottom of the panel. Turn the nuts a quarter turn. The panel is then only attached to the door with clips. Starting from below, pull the panel firmly and jerkily off the door. A suitable tool for releasing the clips is linked in the description. The last clip at the top back is a special clip. Push this up to release it. As soon as all clips have been released, pull the panel up out of the window shaft. To release the door handle mechanism, push the lock slightly backwards and lift the bowed-in cable upwards. On the driver's door, press the small lock near the central plug and push the pink lever back. The plug will then detach itself. On the passenger door, press the small lock on the window switch and then unplug it. Before assembling, remove the clips remaining in the door and reinstall them on the door panel. Of course, reorder damaged clips. Part numbers are in the description. That's it. Good luck doing it yourself.